Hey everyone, welcome to our course on Introduction to Computer Science. In this course, you will be learning all the basics of computer science, and also if you have any doubts, we even have our ebook, that is Learn Basic Computer Science. So in this ebook, it provides an introduction to the basics of computer science. It covers topics such as algorithms, programming languages, and computer architecture. And the ebook is also intended for beginners who are interested in learning about computer science. So first, let's understand what is computer science. Computer science is about learning how computer works and using them to solve real world problems. It involves writing instructions, which is also called as code, to make computers do cool things like creating games, designing graphics, and building websites. And next, you must be thinking, why computer science? So, the first main thing is job opportunities. Then, by learning computer science, your problem solving skills will be improved. Then, the creativity and the innovation will be a plus point for you. And then, you'll be getting flexibility and adaptability, and also the impact on the society will be huge. Next, the career perspective and opportunities that you get in computer science. So the first main thing is software or web development. Then you have data science and analytics. Then you have cyber security. Then you have computer graphics and visualization, and database administrator. So guys, this was just a introductory video, and in the upcoming sessions or in the upcoming videos, we'll be going through each and every topic in depth.